To migrate to Google Analytics e-commerce tracking, start by setting up an e-commerce account in Google Analytics. This involves enabling e-commerce tracking in the view settings of your Google Analytics account. Navigate to the admin section. Select the view you want to enable e-commerce for, and click on e-commerce settings. Toggle the Enable e-commerce switch to turn it on. Next, you need to set up the data layer on your website. The data layer is a JavaScript object that stores information about the products and transactions. On your site, you can use Google Tag Manager to create and manage the data layer. Create a new tag in Google Tag Manager and select the Google Analytics e-commerce tag type. Configure the tag to fire on every page of your site, and set up the data layer variables to capture product and transaction data. With the data layer in place, you can start tracking e-commerce transactions. You need to track the following events: product impressions, product clicks, add to cart, remove from cart, and purchase. You can use Google Tag Manager to create triggers for each of these events, and then set up tags to send the data to Google Analytics. To track product impressions, create a trigger that fires when a product is displayed on the page. Then, set up a tag to send the product data to Google Analytics. For product clicks, create a trigger that fires when a product link is clicked, and set up a tag to send the product data to Google Analytics. To track add to cart and remove from cart events, create triggers that fire when the add to cart or remove from cart buttons are clicked. Then, set up tags to send the product data to Google Analytics. For purchase events, create a trigger that fires when the thank you page is loaded after a purchase. Then, set up a tag to send the transaction data to Google Analytics. Best practices for migrating to Google Analytics e-commerce tracking include testing your setup thoroughly to ensure that data is being sent correctly, using Google Tag Manager to manage your tags and triggers, and setting up goals and conversions to track the performance of your e-commerce site. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully migrate to Google Analytics e-commerce tracking and gain valuable insights into the performance of your e-commerce site.